The phrasal verb give out. 4 meanings and 12 examples. The first meaning. To distribute something to a group of people. 3 examples. Volunteers gave out food to homeless people. Volunteers gave out food to homeless people. She gave out sweets to all the children. She gave out sweets to all the children. The teacher gave out the exam papers. The teacher gave out the exam papers. The second meaning. To stop working or be completely used up. 3 examples. After the long walk, my strength gave out. After the long walk, my strength gave out. The car engine finally gave out. The car engine finally gave out. His patience gave out after hours of waiting. His patience gave out after hours of waiting. The third meaning. To produce or send out something, sound, light, smell. 3 examples. The old radio gave out a strange noise. The old radio gave out a strange noise. The sun gives out light and warmth. The sun gives out light and warmth. These flowers give out a lovely smell. These flowers give out a lovely smell. The fourth meaning. To announce or make something known. 3 examples. The news gave out the results of the competition. The news gave out the results of the competition. They gave out the names of the winners. They gave out the names of the winners. The president gave out the important news. The president gave out the important news. Make your own sentences with the phrasal verb give out. If you liked the video, give it a like.